I told you to stop doing this. God will see us through at His own time. Stop.
Ini, for how long? I need a child. The pain is becoming unbearable.
I know. But God will sort us out at His own time. I want you to have faith in Him. Don't give up, okay?
We've been having faith. It's been 5 years now. 5 years, Ini. The shame is too much for me. And the pain.
Jay, listen. 5 years is not forever. We will have our child. At God's own time, just have faith in Him. I want you to hold on. I'm not bothered. I don't care what people think. I don't know what I don't care what they are saying.
I've told you to get a second wife.
No. Don't say that. I've told you severally that will not work. Forget about second wife. I can't marry another woman.
But that's the only solution. Please.
You're giving up too easily. You're giving up. I don't want you to give up. Don't give up for any reason. You're bigger than this. You're stronger than this.
No, please. Please.
You're stronger than this.
No, please.
Okay. Fine. Get us a wife.
Really?
Yeah. Get us a wife.
Thank you, Ini.
You don't know how to do it again now.
Uju, those are Emeka's clothes and they are still wet. Why don't you look for somewhere else and spread your clothes? Eh?
Hello? Are you mad? No, are you very, very stupid? You don't have respect in back. If you talk to me again this afternoon, I will slap the hell out of you. Are you okay? With that, I don't used to have respect. If you see people are talking to me outside, will you be talking to me like that? Because you know I used to lie down in the night. Talk rubbish like you cry.
See, this you're just looking for problem. The other places you can spread your clothes.
Empty lines. Why are you spreading here?
You're looking for trouble.
Meet me, yeah? After all, is that how I used to stand for outside?
What is wrong with you? Are you mad or something? You're shifting my clothes.
Excuse me.
No, excuse you.
Yes.
Emeka, excuse you.
Yes, sir.
Emeka, excuse me now.
Don't let me start, don't let me
Close your mouth. Emeka, stop now. Tell him to stop.
Stop what? Stop what?
Hey!
Yes!
Who is here? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hi. Who do we have here?
It's me, oh.
Oh, man, it's someone. And then a bed.
How is business now?
You can see, we are trying. God is good. So how is everybody at home? Mama, Papa, you know?
Everybody's fine, no.
So, who is sick this time?
Nobody, oh. It's me, I have sore throat, so I...
Sore throat? Just sore throat? Okay. So true. Okay. Yeah. Let me give, can't get that. Lick one now. Let me give you the one to take home with you. Here, take this one. One in the morning and one in the night, okay?
Okay.
Make sure it's very well.
Okay. So how much is it now?
No. Forget about money. This money. Asa. See, anytime you want anything, it's in my shop. It's in my shop. And when you're here, just come here. Pick anything. Forget about money.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright.
Where you going?
Yeah. Hi. You want to go to doggy? Give me family. Emeka. No, Emeka. Champion.
Cheers, shaking.
Start let me do my own.
You want to see your own?
Nah.
Let's see a bit now. Open now. You want to try?
Big boy, Dikeh.
Okay.
Let me try.
Try, man.
Wait, let me stretch my muscle.
What I do? It's alright.
I will defeat this. It's not by muscle, though.
Oh yeah.
David won Goliath. Let us try.
Are you sleep? Are you lying down?
No.
What's wrong with this one?
It's located my phone.
Sorry.
What is it? What happened?
Mama, we were playing, no? Emeka, you were here now, we were playing. Then, my hand, I think I injured it. I injured it.
You think? You were playing?
It was not intentional, Mama. Because, sorry, what being that?
It was not intentional.
I'm sure it's not a serious.
Shut up! You said it was not intentional. Yeah. And this was not intentional. This is not intentional. Listen, let me tell you. If your stupid mother has sent you to kill my only son, tell her she came late.
Oh, no. What's that now? Why are you going my mother in this case? You're even still slapping my brother. What is that now? It's not we were playing. Why are you? Why is he slapping you now? Don't mind who? Mama, I just slapping him. What he's saying. I know what I'm saying. They say we are playing. Respect yourself. See, I don't like this. Why would she slap you? Why? Sorry. Sorry. Next time, Papa, that you slap. No. What is that now? Mama, sorry, bro. Don't tell her sorry, Mama, no sorry. I take your sorry back. Don't tell her sorry.
Was that it? It happened. See what you've caused. Obina, you see what you've caused. If not for you, this stupid ape will not have the guts to turn back at me. I've warned you several times. Don't surround yourself with the enemy. That is the worst thing you can do to yourself. You are dining with the devil. Now, your bone is broken. Instead of you to use this your left hand, I don't blame you. What if it's an anya? This is the way by an anya. This is why, bro. More babies. What? Wait. What is it? Wait. A man like you, I told you, you like to be strong. Hey? I'm not taking my mom. What?
See, Mama, this whole thing is becoming too much. And if nothing is done about it, Mama will continue to treat us like rags in this house. What is it now? The other day she slapped us. Why? Because we were playing.
That was the one she slapped.
Why would she slap you?
But forget about you're the one she slapped. See the voice yesterday. I do be washed after washing her clothes, poured me dirty water.
Imagine.
No, poured me dirty water. Makachuko, if not for God,
shut up your mouth. Is she not your elder sister? Eh? And you, Emeka, please, for the sake of your father and I, let us try to live as one family.
No. We are not one family. Everything for two families.
Yes.
Two. This is your family. This is your. We are not one family. Chacha. Okay.
So, body came. They poured you water. And you kept quiet.
If not for
sit down to pit with you one.
Shut up there.
For those that allow me to talk my own.
Shut up your mouth. Don't you know you are a girl? What's wrong with you?
Yes. Mama, yes.
See, there's no need for all this. Yes, Mamochi slapped me. I took it in good faith.
What good faith?
Because there's no need for us to now start fighting.
Thank you.
Like Mama said, two people cannot run mad at the same time.
Two
wrongs do not make it right. Let us be the mature people and live in peace.
Okay.
See what Papa's situation. You want to kill him.
Imagine.
Emeka, you should know better.
For the sake of your father and
Papa out of this. Leave Papa out of the picture. Papa knows everything that's been going. He has not been saying anything.
Yes, so my brother.
Leave Papa back.
Papa will just be siding them.
See, Mama, let me tell you something there. She can only slap Posita. She can slap people. I don't know about it.
She cannot
slap me.
Shut up your mouth.
Mama, don't push me to talk.
Maya.
Emeka, have you forgotten what the Bible says? That if someone slap you from this side, turn the other side, let that person slap you again. Yes.
He doesn't go into that.
Okay.
Which one is the other side?
Okay.
The one that slapped me has not recovered from me.
They should come and slap you.
That one is okay.
Why are you this mood, dear? Why do you want to spoil this beautiful moment?
Baby. I've been thinking. Honestly, I've been thinking. You've been at home for years, doing nothing. And I know most of your friends in school now. So why don't you? I've not seen any move from you concerning school. What's the problem? Get it for?
Well, the truth is, I don't have any money to continue my school. And my dad does not believe in training a girl in school. So that's why.
Come on, man. Here we go. Something must be done. Something must be done, okay?
I'm sorry, you can't believe. Can you give me 5,000 after everything?
5,000? I'm even complaining Chief gave me 20,000.
20,000? Baby, we'll share it equally. Remember, I was one that connected it to Chief.
Don't worry, money shouldn't bring us problem.
We'll share it all then.
Yes, definitely. Let's go.
Hey! You mean Chief Amuloni gave you all this?
Yes, Mama. Mama, that man has money. Hey! You need to see the way he spends money as though he produces them in his home.
Hey! You see why I said I don't want to see you near all these village boys? They are penniless. They will pull their trousers so down. Swag on. They have nothing to offer. Listen, both of you are raw materials. Very raw. Uku Salombala. Mama. Look at you. Oh, what's that about, Mama? Amalitam. What is it? Let me go. Sit down. How do you look at them? Take this for your toiletries.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take this. Then I will keep this and use very little for one or two things. Go take an menu. I'll get it. Now, go and check the food on the fire. Oh?
Don't worry, let me go and check.
Okay.
Mama, let me see the house. That was how when I stepped home, I thought I asked myself, no, let me see. Let me see the work. Oh, Mama.
Easy way, Waka Zaya. Mama. Organic what? Who asked you to touch my food?
Oh, Eliza, I only saw the food getting burnt and then I brought it downstairs.
Ezilimgi, did I send you? Hey, come down. I know your plan. You want to poison me and my children.
But God has exposed you. Wait, how can you say a thing like that?
I beg.
How can I poison you?
That is who you are. You want to destroy my generation.
No, it's not true.
It's okay now.
I saw her food getting burnt. I brought it down and now she said that
Why did you help her? Why did you? I've told you to just stay away from Mama Ochi's in a Constanza people. Who back?
It's okay, Mama. It's okay now.
Sorry, bro. Tomorrow, just stay on your own. You want to be good to her? Stay on your own.
Considering what both of you just said, I am very sure that this Ebele that I know very well will never do such a thing. Eliza, why is it difficult for you to live in peace with Ebele in the same house? Why? Will your name change?
I know it. I know you support her. Why then do you want to hear from me?
Eliza, please.
Why are you crying?
If there's something I've done to you in the past, forgive me because
Eliza li wagono. Eliza li piagono apia. I cannot be deceived by these crocodile tears. It's not possible. Mbam! I can never be deceived. Stay with your husband. Enjoy him. Oh? Mr. Husband, enjoy your wife. Nonsense.
Tonight. What are you crying for?
I'm tired.
This devil's incarnate?
Papa, when are you coming back?
This is what you're asking me. Is it that so that you will have time to kill yourselves in this house? Please live in peace.
No,
I'll be gone for just 7 days, just 1 week, and I'll be back, okay? Please, I don't want any trouble.
Yes, no. My dear mama.
All right. There you go.
So that your mugo will be the same week.
See, you're hungry. Unkole! What I call it for that? So she will make something for us.
Orin Nkole. Like father, like son. This is Fandy Mrs. Ifele mebole kwensu. Ifele mebole kwensu. Ifele mebole kwensu. Magi mandi otugi o. Onye nenye mu bonye ngene o. Onye nenye mu bonye mu ngene o.
Oh God. Mama. Please, where does Mamochi get all the money she's spending on herself from? Or Papa gives her money without you knowing?
No. Osita.
I'm a no.
Osita, why are you asking such questions? Now, you know what a lot. From the song, you will know what is going on. Her daughters go around town now, giving out their this thing to collect money. Oh my, if they prostitute everywhere around this community, don't tell me to calm down. They will give her money to show off. That is why she's singing such songs now.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up! Don't speak about your sisters in such manner. It's not right.
They can even be hearing you say.
Hey! And they'll beat me, or what?
Emeka, I don't want trouble,
Mama, they are prostitute.
Unkole!
Why was in a penabron? Unkole.
Nothing, I'm fine.
How can you say nothing, you're fine, and you want to throw up? What is it?
I said I'm fine.
Let's go inside. Go and look for something and put in your mouth. Let's go inside now. You said nothing.
Nothing.
Where is Mama?
She went out. Look, baby.
Baby.
I don't expect you to tell me this again.
Baby, it's not like I want it. Okay? But you know marriage no be beans. I want to be prepared first, okay?
This is the 6th time I'm having an abortion. You know why I do this is because I love you.
I love you too, Ada. I love you. I don't even think can I because I can pick on after 1 or 2 things. I'll come and see your people. Huh? And me found once and for all because.
All right. Where is the drug?
Asa. I'm coming home. Hi. Mama. Otum. What makes you think I'm going to marry an irresponsible and unserious girl like you? Chukwuajo? God forbid. She thinks I don't know how she jumps from one man to another. As for that your sister, Ujunwa, Onuogo, Pino. Hi! What a beef nearly. I still have my eyes on that one.
Eliza, please help us. And even if it's small, no matter how small, it will go a long way for us. Because, please, remember I'm your friend. Please. Confusion. You are not my friend. You are my co-wife. But that shall never end. So you actually know how to beg. Bele. Adema. Hey. Go and meet your husband who ran to Romy since and left his responsibilities.
Mama, please. I beg you in the name of God. Don't do this to them. They are really suffering. Oh.
Shut up! If you don't shut up, I will shut it for you. Oh. Please. I beg you in the name of God. Please. Hey. Oh, one mako mazi abikone. Aguna upano mazi isi Eliza. Eliza, remember you are the one that brought me into this house. Will you leave us like this? Please. What did you just say? That I brought you into this house. So you still remember? Listen. I go a day, woman. Hunger doesn't care. I'm fasting. One door.
So take this one. Take this drawer. Then I'll take one in the morning and one at night, okay?
Thank you.
For 3 days, yeah. You're welcome.
So, how much is it?
Not again. Come on, tomorrow. I don't need your money. I told you anytime you need anything, come and take it. This is my shop. It's a next shop. Thank you. Come on, you little away from me. Take me.
Not from running away from me. Who were my sister's boyfriend?
Happy. See, you just try spending time with me. I tell you, you won't regret it. I promise you. I can promise you.
Okay. If you say so.
Yes.
I'll try.
Jacob, now you're going this weekend, then, at my place.
Let me see how the weekend goes.
Oh, thank you. My place.
I love you much.
Look at that.
Look at this one. This one.
No, I don't like this guy. It's too short.
But the car here is fine. It's the car I'm looking at.
Do you have money to buy a car?
Won't I go up?
At least, Mommy, Chokobe will sell this gown in your quarter.
Okay, I want to buy a Kaka gown.
What will I wear before?
But this one is not Kaka now.
Eh?
It's short.
It's not short, it's fine. It's 6.
Yeah. Which of you took my money?
Monica.
It's a Monica.
I didn't say any money.
Which of you took my money? The 10,000 naira that I kept in my room.
Hey. 10,000 naira. Mama, I thought you said you don't have any money in this house. How come you have 10,000 naira?
You John Sion. You Wapun Sion. How dare you ask me that? Ifunanya.
Mama.
Obinna.
Mama.
Which of you took my money?
Mama, I didn't see any money. Besides, we are not the only one that live here now. Ask Ada or Mobojunga.
Ada da wapugo. Ada da piagon. So you compare yourself with Ada. Ada and Ujunga that works very hard and brings money to this house. Just look at you. The only thing you do is to sit and lazy about. Mingle yourself with the enemies. Obinna.
Mama.
Ifunaya. Before I go to the market and come back, make sure you return my money exactly where you took it from.
Where can we get the money from now? Did we take any money?
There is no mama that told us that she doesn't have money.
Do you understand? Hey. Tell me, if our mother can lie like this, what does she expect we her children to do?
Mama can lie, yo.
She can lie.
Ekene. Is that not the same thing you tell my sister?
Mama, stop now. Can we just forget about your sister and talk about us here?
About us?
Kindly follow.
Abele, where's the food?
And I am here.
I'm famished.
Thank you, Nai. Yes, Nai, I know you like it. What is it? Okay.
So much pepper.
Pepe! Eh? Pepe! Nai, sorry. Hello, Nai, sorry. What have you done? Pepe. What have you done? What's you rich? So you want to kill my husband? No. I tasted it before bringing it. You tasted what? Oh yeah, carry this poison out of this place. I'm sorry. Wait, you can't even. I tasted it. Take away this poison. You want to kill my husband for me?
What kind of thing is this?
It's okay.
How can a woman cook like this?
Oh, Diego. It's terrible. Honey, sorry, oh. Sorry, my love. Don't nam, oh. See? You need to see their faces. See, this is just the beginning. Oh my God.
Sister, I don't know what's wrong with me. I get tired. I throw up every now and then. I feel dizzy.
Wait. Ujunwa, when last did you see your period?
Trying is that one now. I saw my period. When was that time? That time if I finished, it should be last month. It's like this. I can't remember.
If 2 months ago. Ujunwa,
You're pregnant. And you know what? You need to get rid of it before anybody finds out.
Abortion?
Eh? Yes.
Ha! I cannot do that kind of one. I'm scared. I cannot do it.
You cannot do. Haven't you been using?
I've been using it. I don't know how this one happened. I don't know.
See, you just have to get rid of it. This thing, I've been doing it so many times and nothing has happened to me. So there's nothing to be scared of.
I'm not doing it. I'm scared.
It's only what I'm telling you. Ujunwa, what did you eat?
My stomach.
Ujunwa, talk to me. What did you?
I took 3 cups of the drug so it to work faster.
I don't know how my stomach is doing. Hey, Ujunwa, why? Ujunwa, why?
Don't do
this to me. I don't. Why? Ujunwa, please don't do this. Let's take her to the hospital. Ujunwa, please don't pick up. Take her to the hospital. Ujunwa, Uju, don't do this. No.
She's dead.
No, Ada, pick up.
My enemies have succeeded. Just these few days that I left, they killed my daughter. 9. I must get to the root of this. Whoever that has done this has touched Tiger's tail. He who fetches an ant-infested firewood should be ready to dine with the lizards.
Stop crying, okay? Cry will not bring her back. Okay? Please.
I don't know why she had to make this kind of mistake. It's not like her.
Baby, Mana, did she say who was responsible for the pregnancy? We focus.
But she did not.
Nah, you like this? I want it to look like a woman. You like it.
The touch that makes me sleep.
Bia, Ebele, leave us. I want to talk to my husband.
What is it again?
Inechinte.
What's wrong with you, Elisa?
How?
Why do you like to look for trouble? I mean, can't you see that we are busy?
Is he busy? Kambekwa, Wako, did you just say busy? Busy my foot. Bia, leave us. What I want to discuss with you is more important than this thing you are doing with this witch.
No.
Leave her, don't sit down. Leave her alone.
No. Let her leave us.
Enough of this for you in this house.
I better leave us.
Sit down. Something wrong with you? What insolence?
Please let me go.
Don't sit down.
Wako, did you just slap me?
And I will do it again until you learn to keep your manners.
Nai, please.
Sit down there. Enough of this for you in this house.
Nai, please.
Sit down. Not to hear anything.
Sit down. Sit down. Relax. Odema.
Nai, please.
I do not want to hear anything. You should be able to stand on your own. Continue what you're doing.
Nai, it's just that I don't want her trouble.
mo. Udene mo. Olinozu. Udene kalaru na mapozu avo. Your daughter has come before you. I request your presence. Udene mo. My husband Wako had the guts to lay his hand on your faithful daughter. I know you will not let him go free. You have never disappointed me. And you will not disappoint me now. Visit him with a deadly ailment. An incurable one. Olinozu. Udene kalaru na mapozu avo.
Mama! Mama! Emeka! Hey!
What is it? Why are you screaming this over to me?
Oh, Papa. Papa.
What happened to him?
He collapsed on the major road. He fell.
You left him there?
Collapsed there.
How
would I have carried him now?
Papa, give me.
Papa, he collapsed on the major road. I'm looking for someone to help me carry him.
Let's go. Listen, Emeka, we can do it, Emeka.
Emeka!
Oh, yeah. Which side? Is it like this?
That's Junction, no?
Junction. Junction.
Mama, Osita, he came and I were thinking of going to Lagos, Nanke and Kuchijoke, so that he will show us where to learn trade.
Trade?
Yes, ma'am.
But you passed your JAMB examination. So, why don't you want to go back to school?
School, what? Mama, I can go to school. Where's the money? At this our age. Look at the situation of this household now. What the cable?
Papa is sick. Your business is not moving on well. Nkoli and Nkem, they are yet to finish from secondary school. Mama, how do we cope now? How?
Think about it, Mama. All these things require money. And there is no one we can actually run to.
No, there's no hope anyway. This is the best thing for us to do. Let's just go and learn a trade. You know, at least that one we can do it. Yes. And there's nothing in this house, so we have to go and make a living for ourselves.
Every time I know
So, Wadro, I've heard you. What can I say? But I will still discuss it with your father.
That's not the problem.
To seek for his own opinion.
Okay.
My medicine business is not doing well. Honestly. But I spoke to a friend in Lagos. He said he introduced me to electronics business in Lagos.
Okay.
I need like 200k. Okay, thank you.
200,000.
No.
Hey.
But already I have like 50k plus. So if I can get the remaining balance, it should go a long way.
Okay.
Anytime soon, baby.
Since it's really important to get the balance, just let me talk to some of my uncles and I'll get back to you.
Really? You do that for me? You will?
Mama, do you know that Emeka, Osita and Ikem are all planning to go to Lagos to learn a trade?
And so, does it affect the price of Gary in the market? It is better they go there than to stay here and constitute nuisance.
Mama, can you sometimes say something nice about these people?
Oh.
If I slap you, useless girl, what do you know?
Don't mind her, Mama. Big mouth.
See, if they like, let them go to heaven.
It makes no difference.
My son, when did you say people are leaving again?
Next week, Papa.
Next week. Is it okay? I'm sorry that I'm not able to cater for you people again. But whatever it is you have decided to do to better your life, I stand with you and pray that God will guide and protect you.
Amen.
Amen.
You will never dash your feet against them.
Amen.
Amen.
You will be successful.
Amen.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Thank you.
If you like, go there and steal. And they will bundle you back here. Or go back to square one. Yes, ma'am. God forbid my sons are not thieves. Hey! Whatever. I've said my own. Good night. You are blessed. Yeah? No.
Don't worry, very soon everything will be fine. Thank you for your understanding.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Oh? Let them go inside the room. Oh?
Good night.
Ebele's sons must not go to the city. Only knows they must not go to the city. Because if they go, they will make it. Only knows move! They will not go. They will not go to the city. That inheritance, I will never drag with anybody. Obina, my son, will be the only son that will inherit the father's property. Only knows.
Who sent your brother? Call you to hear your brother. Who sent him to America? My son should be the one to bury me, not the other way around.
It's okay.
Who sent him?
It's okay.
I should be the one to bury my son. Eliza.
Up till now, you're
Eliza.
How long will you continue like this? Eliza, when they go.
Eliza, I'm finished now.
It's okay.
Eliza.
I feel your pain. Emerson, now stop.
Eliza.
Oh,
Eliza.
I bring them. It's okay. It's okay.
My friend, it's okay. Honey, I'm finished. I know. Eliza, I'm dying, though. I'm dying, though.
Don't die.
Mama, stop crying. Don't cry from now till next year. Emeka, you will not hear us.
I'm not crying, no. I'm not crying, no.
You know Papa's condition.
Okay.
My brother.
Okay. I'm not crying, no.
I'm taking.
Hey! Emeka!
What am I living for?
Who done more? Who done more? Who knows? Who the Nekalaruna Mapuzu? The mighty, the greatest in and around the 7 villages and tribes. You have made your daughter very happy. You have given me joy. Olinozu, I bring this offering as a token of my appreciation. Eto Dikeh na Gomel omekwozo. Udo na mo. Olinozu, one nozu na mapozu avo. Udo ne kala na mapozu avo. Udo na mo. Ekweme. 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 Ekweme kibu. Ekweme kibu.
Why do we sell out each other? Why do we play?
Babe, you're not always around these days. I mean, you travel a lot now. I'm beginning to have mixed feelings.
This feelings of last time. You know it's you or no one else. My brother, no one else. I travel too much for supplies, you know. That's for supply. And you know.
That means money is gradually coming in. Why don't we start our marriage plans then?
Yes. Marriage, yes. Also. But, baby, you know, I started this business recently now. So I need to, you know, buckle up a little. So can you come to the can you go down my year?
Okay.
Come here.
Yobina, have you finished the clothes I asked you to wash?
Yes, Mama, I have.
Have you washed the toilet?
Yes, Mama, I have.
Obina,
Mama.
Have you arranged your room?
Mama, I have done all of that.
Oh yeah, come and help me in the kitchen.
Elisa, leave the boy alone. Yeah? Can't you see? He's the only one helping me. Yeah? Yeah, what is he going to do in the kitchen? Well, let the girls do it. Ah. The poor boy, you know. He says he won't help me.
Look at yourself. Shame on you! Are you a baby? Are you a baby? You are happy? He's feeding you. You open your mouth and you put it. Eh? You understand? You are eating egg. Egg and bread. And he's feeding you. And you're enjoying it.
Mama, why are you insulting Papa? Eh? Is it because he is sick?
Yes, sir.
Eh? He was just happy before you came. Now you're here. You won't do it.
Jesus! Oh, Father! Oh, no, go there, look! Oh, no, go there, look! Take me, oh, Lord! Let me see the healing! In the name of Jesus! You are the King of Kings! You are the Lord of Lords! You are the Alpha and the Omega! You are the Ancient of Days! You are the beginning and the end! You are the beginning and the end! Receive your healing! Receive your healing! In the name of Jesus! In the name of Jesus! Whoa! 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 In the name of Jesus! Whoa! In the name of Jesus! Whoa! In the name of Jesus! Ah! Jesus, Lord, you will never fail me. You will never fail me. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Can you see me? You can see me. You can see me.
I can feel the presence of evil in this company. I can still feel the presence of evil in this company.
Where's Eliza? Where's Eliza? Eliza!
Maboche!
Eliza!
Every